welcome back to my channel Trading Room. So friends, our today's topic will be support and resistance. Friends, whoever is new in this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my video, and they can go and watch my previous videos of basics. So they can learn my basic to advanced level course of trading easily. So friends, let's go and learn it easily. So friends, our today's topic is support and resistance. First, I would like to tell you the definition of support. So friends, suppose our market price is coming downside and there are sellers more than buyers. And from where it started to going upside, their sellers are weak and buyers started to pushing the market upside, and from where it started to going upside, we will mark that point and this will be our support. So now I will tell you the definition of resistance. So friends, suppose our market price is going upside and there are buyers more than sellers, and from where the market price started to coming downside, their sellers became heavy on buyers, and from which point the market started to rejecting, we will mark that point and that point will be our resistance. Support and resistance are of many types, like first, horizontal support and resistance. Support and resistance. Second, trendline support and resistance. Third, channel support and resistance. Fourth, triangle support and resistance. Etc. Like this only, there are many support and resistance which traders use on their trading strategy. But today we will see horizontal support and resistance and triangle support and resistance, because video should not be too much long. So that's why today we will only see these two. So friends, first we will see the resistance of horizontal support and resistance. So friends, here our market price is going upside and from where it came downside. See friends, here market price is going upside, here buyers are more than sellers, and from here from this point the market reject and came downside. So this means there are sellers more heavy on buyers. So friends, sellers push the market downside, and from where it came downside, we will mark that and it will be our R1. This is our full resistance and this is our R1. So market will again go upside and came downside. So this will be our R2, means resistance 2, and this will again go upside and directly come downside, and this will be our R3. And when R3 will be there, we will confirm that our resistance is working strongly, because see friends, our market price is going upside and touching to our horizontal resistance and coming downside, going touching to our horizontal resistance and coming downside, and going touching and coming downside. So it is confirmed that our resistance is working strongly. So friends, now I will tell you the support of horizontal support and resistance. So friends, here market price is coming downside and from here it can go upside. So friends, see here our sellers are more than buyers, and from here the market started to going upside, and here buyers are heavy on sellers and buyers started to pushing the market upside, and we will mark this point and this will be our support and this will be our S1. So friends, again the market price will come downside and go upside. So this we will mark as S2, and then market price will again come downside and it will go directly upside. So this will be our S3. So friend, when S3 will be there, so we will confirm that our coming downside and touching to our horizontal support and going upside, coming down, touching and going upside. So it is confirmed that our support is working strongly. Friends, before I tell you horizontal support and resistance, now I will tell you trend line support and resistance. Before that, I would like to tell you that if you like this video, so please like, share, comment and subscribe. Because of that, I would get a new motivation, and after getting new motivation, I would like to try to ready the video as soon as possible for you. Now I will tell you the uptrend. So friends, I will tell you here uptrend. Suppose our market price is coming downside, and from where it gone the upside, here our sellers are more than buyers, and from here it started to going upside, and here buyers became heavy on sellers, and the buyers started pushing the market upside, and it became our S1. Then again the market price will come downside, and again it will go upside. So this became our S2. So friend, matching these two, we will make one trend line. And again the market price will come downside and it will go directly upside. And this makes our S3. And when the S3 will be there, so we will confirm that our support is working strongly. And because see friends, our market price is coming downside, touching to our trend line and going upside. Coming downside, touching to our trend line and going upside. Coming downside, touching and going upside. So it is confirmed that our support is working strongly. So friends, here I tell you uptrend, now I will tell you downtrend. Friends, before that I would like to tell you that whoever is new in this video, they can go in my previous videos and they can watch the basics. Because I am going to ready for you basic to pro level course of trading so that you can learn easily. That's why you can go in my previous video and you can watch the basics. So friends, now I will tell you the downtrend. So friends, suppose here our market price is coming upside and here it came downside. So friends, here our buyers are more than sellers, and from here market price started to coming downside, and here sellers started to pushing the market downside, and it became our R1. And again the market price will go upside, and from here it came downside, so it became our R2. And matching these two, we will make one trend line of resistance. Again our market price will go upside and come directly downside. So this will be our R3. And when our R3 will be there, we will confirm that our resistance is working strongly. Because see friends, here our market price is going upside, touching to our trend line and coming downside. Going upside, touching to our trend line, coming downside. Going upside, touching to our trend line and coming downside. So it is confirmed that our resistance is working perfectly. So friends, here I tell you practically, now I will tell you what is horizontal support and resistance and trend line support and resistance in the live chart. Let's go. Friends, on board I explain you practically that what is support and resistance. Now I will here explain you in the live chart. So friend, this is my chart in trading view of gold of 5 minutes. Now first I tell you the support of horizontal support and resistance. See friends, here our market is coming downside in sell side, and here sellers are more than buyers, and from this our market started to going upside. So friends, here we mark two things. First we mark its closing price, and second we mark its low price. So friend, this is our area, support zone. So friends, first see, market is coming downside. Here sellers are more than buyers, and from here the market started to going upside, and here buyers started to pushing market upside, and the market started to going upside. So friends, see, here it touches to our support zone, and this makes S1, and then market goes upside. Then again it's come downside and go upside. See friends, here it touches to our support zone, then this makes it our S2, means support 2. Then again market came downside, and again it's go directly upside. See friend, this makes S3, and when S3 will be there, we will confirm that our support is working strongly, because see friends, again market is coming downside, touching to our support zone and going upside. Coming down, touching to our support zone and going upside. Coming down, touching and directly got upside. So it is confirmed that our support is working strongly. Friends, now I will tell you the resistance of horizontal support and resistance. See friends, here the market is going upside, and from here it started to coming downside. So we mark here two things. First, the closing price. Second, the high price. And then friends, it became a resistance zone. Now see friends, here the market is going upside, and here buyers are more than sellers, and from here the market started coming downside, and then here sellers started pushing the market downside, and from this candle touch our resistance zones, then it became our R1, and then friends market price gone up, then again it touched, and this became our R2. Then friends market price came down, and this and it gone up and directly down. So friends, this became our R3. And friends, when this R3 will be there, we will confirm that our resistance zone is performing well. Because see friends, the market price is going upside, touching our resistance zone and coming downside. Going upside, touching our resistance zone and coming downside. Going up and directly down. So friends, this is confirmed that our resistance is working perfectly. So friends, now I will tell you the downtrend of trend line support and resistance. So friend, this is my gold chart of 3 hours. So first I will tell you the downtrend. See friends, here the market is going upside, and from here the market started to coming downside. So friends, this will be our R1. Because friends, see, here buyers are more than sellers, and from here sellers started pushing the market price downside. So we will mark this, and this will be our R1. Then again the market came downside, and from here it goes up and it touches to our this, and this makes R2. And friends, now matching these two resistance, we will make one trend line. See friends, now here the market goes up and touches to this makes our R2, and then market again came down and touched to this our trend line, and this makes R3. And then friends, the market is directly downside. And friends, See, because the market price again going up and touching to our trend line and coming down, going up, touching to our trend line and coming down, and here it goes up and touched to our trend line and directly it came downside. So it is confirmed that our trend line resistance is working very perfectly. So friends, now I will tell you the trend line support. So friend, this is the gold chart of 4 hours. Now I tell you. See friends, here the market is coming downside and from here it started to going upside. And see friends, here sellers are more than buyers, and from here the buyers started pushing the market upside, and this will be our S1. Now see friends, again the market is coming downside and going upside, and friends, this will be our S2. And friends, matching these two, we will make one trend line. And friends, now you can see here, the market is again coming downside and directly it has gone upside, and this will be our S3. And friends, when here S3 will be there, we will confirm that our trend line support is working very strongly. Because see friends, market is coming downside, touching to our trend line, going upside. Coming downside, touching, going upside. Coming downside, touching and going upside. So friends, it is confirmed that our trend line support is working very perfectly. And friends, you also find these trend lines, horizontal support and resistance, that you can understand it easily, that how we can find it. Friends, in this small video I explained you very deeply and easily that what is support and resistance. I hope that you learned it. So please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Meet you in next video. Thank you for watching.